can't.
What?
I can't.
I will blow your head off. I said give me everything.
I can't. She was my everything. But she left me. And now I'm nothing. Damn, bro. My bad.
Kita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa iyo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times and then yun na.
No way. That's great.
Nagkaedad ka na ng ganyan, nag-aalala ka pa rin kung sino ang may gusto at ayaw sa'yo? Ano ka ba naman? Masyado ka ng matanda sa kadramahan na ganyan. Kung ayaw nila sa'yo, di wag. Wag mong ipilit yung sarili mo at ituloy mo yung buhay mo. Ngayon, kung sino yung mga nandyan para suportahan ka, pakitaan mo rin ng totoong suporta. Kung sino yung patuloy na nagmamahal sa'yo, suklian mo rin ng tunay na pagmamahal. At dyan sa mga taong may lihim na galit sa'yo, wala kang dapat gawin dahil problema na nila yun.